Hello and welcome back. And in today's lesson, we'll be discussing how to use checkboxes in Excel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to ensure you've got your developer right here on the tab bar. And if you do not worry. Just head over down to the quick access toolbar, click on the drop down, click on more commands, and then go to customize ribbon. Click on the drop down and then click on main tabs. You should get to see the developer right here. All you need to do is select it, add, and click on OK. And you should have that right here. Now, the next step you need to do is to click on the cell you'd like to input your checkboxes, then move it to the developer tab, click on insert, and under the form controls, you'll see the checkbox there. So all you need to do is click on it and then make an insertion here, and you should see that here. Now, one thing I always like to do is just to, delete the text behind it. So all I need to do is just right click, edit text, and I'm going to use my backspace to just delete the checkbox number. And you can see that's the checkbox number here. And then that's it. Now, all you then need to do is to drag down, and it should all get filled up for you. And that's how to do checkboxes in Excel. So if I tick on this, it gives me what I want, and that's easy peasy. Hope you found this very helpful. Please kindly follow, like, and comment, and share for more tips in Excel and data analysis. Thank you.